everyone, thank you for tuning in to AGrader. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Miss Jennifer, who will share with us what the Primary 5 students will be learning for math in October. So Jennifer, what are they learning this month?
So in October, P5 students will be doing the topics angles, triangles and quadrilaterals.
Alright, so can you share with us some of the concepts taught?
For angles, they will learn the properties such as angles on a straight line, angles at a point and vertically opposite angles. For triangles, they will also learn the properties of isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. They will also learn that the angle sum of triangle is 180 degrees, and then in addition they will have to draw triangles given according to the given angles and length using a ruler, protractor and set squares. For quadrilaterals, they will learn the properties of parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Similar, they will also have to draw quadrilaterals according to the given angles and lengths using ruler, protractor and set squares.
Okay, so it seems like there are many different types of shapes and angles to remember. Do you have any tips to share with them on how to better remember?
Okay, so remembering the properties of the various triangle and quadrilateral is very important, as some of the questions they will not mention this property, so they expect students to know. And without these properties, it may be impossible to answer the questions. Then also for properties that involve equal length like rhombus or even squares, parallel and perpendicular lines, it will be good to label them on the diagram so that students can see what are the properties. So for example, if they are equal, we will mark them. If they are parallel, we will use arrows to represent that they are parallel, and perpendicular, we will draw the right angle sign on them. Then a very useful and commonly forgotten properties will be the sum of angles between two parallel lines will always add up to 180 degrees. This is often forgotten but is very useful. Yeah, so it will be good for students to take note and revise this property.
Okay, so as this is the last video of the year, do you have any challenging questions to share with us?
Yes, let's look at these questions that students often get confused even up to P6. So it involves fractions and then it involves measurement units as well. So that's why they are confused as to when should they multiply and when should they subtract. So let's look at this question. Hazel had 10 meters of ribbon at first. She used 1.5 meters of ribbon on Saturday and 1/3 of the remaining ribbon on Sunday. What was the length of ribbon she had left? So a reminder, for questions involving fractions, we will get them to check and take note if there is a measurement unit after the fraction. If there is a measurement unit, this fraction is a measurement and it can be added or subtracted. If there is no measurement unit, then this fraction is a fraction of a set where off can be seen as multiply. So first thing, let's get them to highlight the keywords. 10 meters at first, use 1.5 meters, and then 1/3 of the remaining ribbon, and then ribbon left. So since she used 1.5 meters of ribbon on Saturday, and after the 1.5 there is a measurement unit meters, then we get them to subtract 10 minus 1.5, that will give them 8.5 as the remaining length of the ribbon. On Sunday, she will use 1/3 of the remaining. So since after 1/3 there is no measurement units, this off can be seen as multiply. So we take 1/3 times 8.5, that will give us 2 whole 5/6 meters, and this will be the length used on Sunday. Then to find what is the length of the ribbon that she had left, we will take the remaining, which is 8.5, minus what she used on Sunday, and we get 5 2/3 meters left.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free.
as well as the latest in promotions so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.